Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Friday. I'm coming to you today because my family requested this week and we're doing a little celebration. They requested a strawberry cake, so I said, you know what, no problem. I'll go ahead on and make one from the box. Y'all know I do bake homemade. I do that. However, I am not ashamed of using a cake box when we want to do something quick, simple, and easy, and delicious at the same time. So we're going to be using this Duncan Hines cake mix. It's going to be a strawberry cake, and we're going to be using cheesecake instead of just the jello pudding that is strawberry. Actual jello that some people are putting in the cake. I will do that on another video because I do want to try it, but I'm using the cream cheese pudding in this cake today. I'm going to also be using the strawberry frosting mixed in with the cream cheese frosting just to get that little pink hint of pink because I don't want to use food coloring right now. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of sour cream. We're going to use 4 eggs. Okay, voila. And of course you got to use your vanilla. We're going to use our oil. Now you can opt out to avocado oil. Avocado oil is also good to bake with. It is a healthier option. But today I'm just going to use your standard regular vegetable oil, okay? We're going to use vegetable oil. It's asking for 1 cup. I think that's a bit much. So I'm going to use 1/2 cup of vegetable oil and I'm going to add 1/2 cup of butter. Honey, you can't go wrong with butter, okay? Also, y'all, if you are not a member of the World Market, where you get rewards and all of that stuff, they send you your in your text, they always send you when they're doing something, a promotion for something free. So last week they did a promotion on this jam. So we went in and I was able to get 2 because I did 2. I bought some stuff and Joshua bought some stuff. So anyway, we got 2 of them, y'all. Yes, okay. And let me tell y'all, this is absolutely amazing, and it is all natural ingredients, as y'all can see that. Just all your standard, just your regular ingredients. There goes the information on the back. They have strawberry rhubarb, they have peach. Oh my goodness, it's a lot more. I think cherry too as well. So I got this for free. They were only doing the promotion for the strawberry. So I said, well, I'm going to put this in the middle of my slices where I'm going to add the strawberry filling inside instead of real strawberries, because honey, strawberries cost a lot of money. This was free. We on a budget and we just gonna compromise. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in the cake mix too to see what it does too as well. All right, so y'all, let's get to this cake before we get started. Let me see that pan. I went to Walmart maybe about 2 weeks ago, and y'all, I got a good deal on Martha Stewart's everyday pan set. It was regular $20-something. I got it for 14. So this is the 8-inch pan. I'm going to be using this, and then I said I need 2. I don't have an 8-inch pan, so I went to Hobby Lobby and got this one on that 50%. I think this one was for like $5. Okay, one is a little lower than the other one, but we gonna compromise. This one might be a little higher. Honey, if we got to cut, we're gonna cut. Once it's frosted, child, you do not know what's going on under the frosting, but that it is delicious, and that is all that matters, right? So anyway, let me show y'all the set. It may be still on sale clearance in your area. So this is the set here. And this is Martha Stewart's 4-piece nonstick carbon steel bakeware set, y'all. I'm not gonna pull all the pieces out, but as you can see there, that's what you get, okay? If I can turn it around, this is what it says you get right there. So y'all can just pause that. And if you think this is a great idea, go look at your local Walmart, look online, but I got the sale in store. I noticed that a lot of times there can be a clearance in the store, and that clearance is not online. And also with Target, it's like that too. I got a haul coming up with a little Target purchases that I made, okay? So yes, that was, y'all, she saw that and said, I gotta get it. So anyway, now we're gonna get to this cake. I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get to the cake. All right, so first off, let's do this. I'm going to, these little cake circles, the parchment circle. Y'all, Mama's gonna spray that. Mom, can you spray both of them for me? Mommy's gonna spray them. But this is the parchment circles, okay? You can make this, however, I don't have time to make it. If you can buy it where it's already ready for you and it's on sale half price, y'all, These are on sale half price at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has been good to me when it comes with the cake products, y'all, because I love, because I love the Hobby Lobby cake products. They have been good to me because let me tell y'all, listen, 50% off is, 50% off right now is a blessing, and we need that. Every time I lift my arm, it seems like the screen goes darker, y'all. I'm seeing that. She's noticing it. Okay, so this is the, let me show y'all. That is what this is. And they do have this in, I think, 10 inch. Do they have like a 9 inch? I think like 10, I know for sure 10 inch. They have it in 10 inch. We're going to put the cake on this when we're done. In the meantime, while mommy is doing that, y'all, this is what I love about this. This is dunk and go. Dunk and go, child. Okay, so now we're gonna do the camera where you just seeing me add everything until we get the cake in, okay? Here we go. We're gonna make this fast and quick because I know y'all don't have time, and I do. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge and put the rest of this frosting, and so stay tuned. All right, y'all, now we're going in the second half of the frosting of the cake. My family loves frosting, y'all, so. Okay. We're gonna bring this down and we're gonna finish this cake out, and then we're gonna taste it. Y'all, it looks delicious. I like swirls. Pretty. Now you can put fresh strawberries on top of this. This will be very pretty with fresh strawberries. I think I'm not going to use the rest of that frosting. That is way too much. My family would sit up there and eat every bit of that frosting if I put it on there. But we're not going to do that. Okay, so that is the cake. This is the finished cake, you guys. It may be a little bit still warm, and I'm gonna go ahead on. I didn't use the couplets because the frosting is a little bit too smooth for it. But y'all, look at it. And that is it, strawberry cloud cake. All right, you guys, so we are finished with the cake. Y'all, let me hold it up a little bit so y'all can see it. Look how beautiful this strawberry cake is. It's slightly pink. You can cut up strawberries and put it in the middle. I didn't feel like doing that today. And you can also take strawberries and put them around, really decorate the cake and really make it beautiful. But we just want a simple strawberry cake. So I'm gonna go in and we're gonna cut it. Joshua's gonna film me cutting it, okay? Here we go. Josh, you wanna help me? Mom and Josh are ready to dive into this cake, y'all. All right. Y'all can share this piece because this is a pretty big piece. Oh, look at that. Y'all see that? Ooh, okay. So I'm going to put that down. That's for one of them. Ooh, y'all look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, who's first? Ladies first. All right.
Oh my goodness.
And then Josh, you want a slice too? Okay, y'all, let's see the inside of this cake before we even.
Smell it again.
This is sea mine. Okay, that's what that looks like in the inside, y'all. Is it good, Mama? Mama say anything good I make. Okay. All right, here we go. Josh was just gonna get a slice. Here we go.
She nailed it again, everybody.
Hold that. Hold this. And it's still warm, y'all. And there's his slice. All right. There we go. Is it fantastic, y'all? Thank you so much. Looks like it's super duper moist. Mom, let me taste a piece of yours. Let me show them. Y'all, Mama went in on this cake, okay? Let me show y'all. So this is the cake. I'm just gonna dissect hers. Look at the jam in there. Ooh, and it's holding up so nicely.
It is.
And that's my little bite.
You didn't need to put them on.
Oh, wow. Y'all, that is super duper flooper nooper tooper moist. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all have got to try this. Let me suggest, once you do this, put it back in the fridge. After you do this, I just did it real quick to cut it so y'all can see it. Put it back in the fridge. Ooh, let it all come together. Then put it in that cover. Child, this thing is dangerous. It is amazing. And it's very strawberry. The cream cheese in the inside. Y'all, look at that cake. Ooh, y'all know good and well that cake is good. It is delicious. So there we go. Perfectly moist strawberry supreme with the cheesecake pudding. Make sure it is the instant pudding, y'all. The cheesecake instant pudding. Okay, and it's Duncan Hine, and I use sour cream, 1 cup of sour cream. I did 1 package of the cheesecake pudding. I added 1/2 cup of milk. I added 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, not 1 cup, and I added 1/2 cup of butter. So it did a total of oils to it. 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla, 4 eggs, and y'all, voila, there she go. And a little bit, I did like 3 tablespoons of jam in the inside with the mix baked, and then I also put jam right on top of a warm cake. That is the secret of getting it really moist too as well. All right, y'all, I will link the recipe that I got this from down below, but my add-ins is the mix of the jam in the mix, and then also putting in the frosting. I put a little bit of jam in the cream cheese and strawberry frosting. Again, if you want to know, let me show you. This is the Dolly Parton strawberry cream frosting that I used, and I mixed it with the Duncan Hines cream cheese frosting. Add a little bit of strawberry jam, y'all. Take it to a whole nother level. Like I said, you can add strawberries in the middle of this, whipped cream in the middle of this, but when y'all do the jam even gives it more of a moisture flavor. It's so good with the jam. All right, you all, so that is the cake slice after a couple of hours, and we're gonna go down. As y'all can see, it's nice and moist. You see the jam there. Oh, the jam set up very nice. Y'all, when I put it in the refrigerator, I like to dissect the cake. Let's dissect it. Look at that. Look at that. That jam. My goodness. I'm just dissecting it each step of the way so y'all can see how it holds up. Look at that. That is a delicious strawberry. That's even some strawberry right there, y'all. Don't worry about that. That ain't no hair, honey. I'm just dissecting it so y'all can see just how you break it up, how it holds. We're gonna turn it around. This is the back side of it, y'all. It's so good. I like to dissect the cake so y'all can see just how it looks. Look at that moisture of that jam in there. Y'all, that is a delicious cake. Please try this recipe. All right. All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you. You all can come check me out and see where is Shar at, where is she at in the world, what is she cooking, what is she doing today. All right, you all, thank you so much. Make sure you also go and show me some love on my other channel, Shar's Adventures TV. I would really appreciate your love and support over there too as well. Okay, thank you. You all be blessed. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay, I'll see you soon, and remember, always trust God. Keep him first and he'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. I'll see you all soon. God bless. Bye bye.